Video, we will going to take up one more problem on how to constrain this sketch both geometrically and dimensionally. To do this, so first I will go for the fusion screen, go to sketch, create on this particular sketch, then I will go for circle and I will create a circle of radius 29. So this 29 will come here and then here also. Okay, and then it comes here. Okay, all this profile will have the same radius. I'll go for circle, take some arbitrary point, and I will go for dimension. 29 means 58. We'll go for diameter 58 and go to coincident this center with reference to this. So once you do that, now I want to draw one more circle which is at a distance of 14 mm from the center. So I will consider this as my center with reference to this. So now, what is the diameter of this? The diameter of this is radius 4.5. So 9. I will go for circle. I will select some arbitrary point and then I will going to draw a circle of diameter 9. Okay. So that is radius 4.5. Okay. Once you do that, then I want to give the dimension from this circle to this circle will have the center as 9. I will get 14. Yes, I will get for 14 mm. Okay now. Then I will go for horizontal, this with reference to this. Now we are at the center of this now. So then once you do that, now the next thing is from this sketch, from the center, I will draw a line of 8 mm. So to do that, I will go for line, select some arbitrary point, and then I will draw a line of any length. And I will go for dimension, select this one. With reference to this, I will give 9 mm. Okay. So once you do that, sorry, 8. This distance is 8. So I will come down to this and I will make this dimension as 8. Then I want to draw one more vertical line here. So I will go for a line. I will draw one line here of any length. Then I will go for dimension from this center because I have only this center now, the reference. So 26 plus 16.5 is the distance. I'll go for dimension from this with reference to this 26.5, then plus 26 plus 6.5, 26 plus 16.5. Okay, so you'll get 42.5. So I think 32, 42.5. Yes. Then I want to trim these two and then I will get this profile first drawn. So now I will go for modify, click on extend. So I'll go for trim, select this line. Okay. And then I don't have anything there afterwards. So I will trim this portion which is not required. Then from here, I will take 28 now. So I will draw one more line somewhere here. Okay. Now I'll go for dimension, select between this line, and I will give this distance as 28. Then I will go for trim, select this one, and I will select this portion. And I will also select this portion. Now we have this profile now. Once you do that, I want to draw a line from here to here. Before that, I want to construct this circle. What is the radius of this? Radius 12. So I'll go for fillet, select between this line and give the radius as 12. Okay. Then I want to draw one more circle here of any size. Then I want to give the dimension for this, which is diameter is 15. Go to dimension. I will give the diameter as 15. Then that profile has to be from the center, it is 26. Okay. So I will go for dimension from this to this. I will take this distance as 26. Okay. Then From the vertical direction, I want 14 mm. So I will go for dimension, select this line and this. I will give 14 mm now. So now I have constructed both the sides. Then from here, I will draw one more line. I will not take the line here and I will take this line. Then I want to give the dimension of this. So it is 10 mm from this one end. I will go for dimension, select this and this to give the dimension as 10. Okay. And from this line, okay, from here to the center is 17, 7, 6, that is 7.5. I will go for dimension between this and this line and I will give 7.5. Okay, give the dimension. Then the rest of the things I want to remove it. So I will go for trim, select this line and you select this line. So this entire profile I have constructed now. Once you do that, now I will remove this extra thing, whatever it is there here. So I'll go for trim, select on this side. Okay, I'll go for trim, select on this. Okay, now I have removed this. Then from here, I have a radius of 5, that is 4.5. But actually this radius I want to get only after getting this profile done. Okay, now we have come up to this now. Okay, now I want to create this center. From this center I want to create this slot. So I will go for create, go to slot, take a center point of the arc, you select this and you select this side and onto this and you create this. Okay, now I want to draw a line from this end. What is the radius of this? The radius of this is 4. So here I will go for dimension, you select this and take the radius as 4. Then I will going to have a line and sorry, again I will come down to this and give the, what is the radius of this? The radius of this is 34, correct? Because the same circle has been passing through here. So the arc is radius 34. So I will go for dimension, select this one, give the radius as 34. Okay. Now I have got this. Then from the center, now this has to be on the same center of this. So I will go for constrain this point with reference to this. So we have this profile drawn. Okay, now both are in the same line because according to this drawing, from this to this point, both are on the same line. So now I want to give the line, go to construction line, select this center to this. Then I want to draw one more line here. Okay, then I will go for dimension, select between these two and you give the dimension as 45 degree. Yes. Okay, now we have this profile has been constructed. So to this I want to offset from the center, it is radius 10. So that means, so from here, what is the radius? It is 10. So offset is 4. I will go for offset, select this line, select this profile and give the dimension as 6. Okay. So once you do that, now you go for select this and this one by holding the control key, select this one and this profile and remove that construction line. So now you go for the dimension of this, it will give you radius 10. Yes, you are right. Once you do that, then you come down to this portion and you have to get this radius 4.5 now. This one I have to complete first case. I will go for circle. Now what I will do, I will go for trim. Okay, you come down to this and you remove this trim. And similarly on this side and also on this side. And I will try to fillet this. Let us see how it will going to take. I will go for trim. I will select this portion and I will go for fillet. Select between this and give the radius as 5, 4.5. Not that one. I this with reference to this horizontal. Okay. Yes. Okay. Cancel. So I want to draw a circle with a radius of 4.5. Okay, I will go for circle. I will draw a circle. Go to circle, and by constructing the circle here, the dimension is 9. So you take this as the diameter is 9 because radius is 4.5. Then I will go for constraint, select tangent, select this circle tangential to this, and select this one tangential to this. Okay. Now we have this portion. Now I will go for trim, select this one, and I will select this one, and I will select this one, and I will select this. Okay. Now we have this entire profile has been constructed on this side of the sketch. Now I want to take to this side now. So this side is already here. I want to draw the radius as 12, okay, on this side. So now here I will go for trim. I will remove this portion also, and I will come down to this now. So I'll go for circle, select on this, radius is 12, okay. Therefore, dimension, select this, give the dimension as 24. Because that is the diameter. I will go for tangent, select on this circle, tangential to this circle, similarly tangent to this circle. Now I will go for trim, select on this side, and you select on this side, and this you select on this side. Now we have this profile is drawn here. Now I want to come down to this portion now, and I want to create this profile first. So here I will go for the circle radius is 34, what I want. So this is already radius 34. I will go for circle, go to the construction and select this, and go to dimension. The radius is 34, means 68. Okay, and go to constraint, go to concentric, select on this with reference to this. Okay, go to constraint, go to concentric, select on this with reference to this. Now once you get that, now I want to draw a line from this center. I will draw a horizontal line. Then from here, I will draw a line inclined at 30 degrees. I will just go to line, select this, and I will draw some inclined line, and go to dimension, select between this line and this, and give the dimension as 30 degrees now. So once you get that, now we have this circle having the radius 7. Okay, I will go for circle, remove the construction, and take this intersection point. Okay, go to dimension, diameter is 40 because the radius is 7. Once you have this, now I want to trim this portion. Okay, so how to trim that? Having a radius is 4. So I will go for trim, select on this side, and I will select on this side. And now I will remove this portion, and I will go for fillet. The radius is 4. Select on this, and you select on this side, give the radius as 4. So we have this. Similarly, on the other side, this radius is also 4. Okay, so I will go for fillet, select between this line and this arc, and radius is 4. Now we have this portion. So here we have taken and come down till here. Now I want to draw this. Okay, before that I want to construct this portion. So what is that? The radius is 3. I will go for a circle, select some arbitrary point, and I will draw a circle. Dimension, the radius is 3, so I will go for 6. Again, go to constraint, select concentric. This circle is in concentric with this one. Now that portion is also over. So now you're coming back to this line here on this side. So I want to draw